name the devil and shame him, and he stands ashamed, then remember this place was supposed to be the capital of Kenya, Machakos. It's supposed to be the capital of Kenya. Now to make what and then then I say Nairobi, the name Nairobi River, the river there. And now we are making every effort to bring a measure of that capital to Konza. Konza, na Malindi ni Konza. Therefore that prayers, Boyesi Malindi na Konza, that's very pivotal in my view. Because you're developing there the African Silicon Valley, which will bring a lot of employment opportunities to our people. Soon I'll be requesting President Uhuru Kenyatta to come and visit this region.
Our politicians, our leaders, and sharply we rebuke them to come down and bury their pride for the sake of the development of our community and respect one another. We are not Abes Kilaji. We know they are all our members of the church. They all belong to a church. And we want them to respect one another when it comes to the leadership. It's not because God is not raising other people, but everyone to respect one another. Those who have been there before to respect those who are coming up, and those who are coming up to respect those who have been there.
Tumeanza safari na tumejipatia miezi 6 na tumeomba Mungu neema yake iwe pamoja nasi. Na leo tumeanza safari ya kuwaleta pamoja. Na maanake sisi kwa uwezo wetu hatuwezi. Maanake wengine ni watu wadogo